Hello, I'm Armin Vogel from the winery Bastgen, here in the middle Mosel Valley. It's nearby the town bernkastel-kues. We are here in one of the oldest wine regions in Europe, the Mosel, with the river with its slopes, two mountains of slate, and this is the terroir where our Riesling is growing. When you come to the Mosel, you surely be impressed by the steep vineyards. You will not find a lot of place in the world with such a topography. And the Riesling, our proud and main variety, feels very well in this slate steep vineyards. It's a home of Riesling. Who are we? We are a typical family winery, Weingut Bastgen, and we are working nearly all day in the vineyard because you can imagine no machines can work there really efficiently. So our main purpose is to look for the wines, to get the best grapes which are possible there. And we work since about 10 years. We run organic, using no chemical stuff which goes into the plant. We use no chemical fertilizer because we are convinced that the natural potential of these vineyards is enough to create really unique wines. Which wine do we aim to produce? The Riesling, you know, is a crazy variety with a broad range of possible stylistic wines. And what we aim is, what we would love to produce every year, are unique wines which show the mineral character of the soil, of the slate soil. For example, our main estate Riesling is called therefore Blauschiefer, which means blue slate. And besides this mineral character, the wines should bring the best and most possible fruit character of the variety Riesling. Riesling is a fruity variety, but fruity means not sweet all time. You know, you always can ferment the natural sugar totally complete, that it's finished and the wine is dry. But nevertheless, the wine in the glass will always give you an impression of the fruity character. You see, oh, it's not only winery in a common sense. You can smell this crazy Riesling flavor. So we would like to invite all the people who are interested in wine or in Riesling in special to come to us to visit our winery, so that we can show you what it does mean to work organic in these deep vineyards, and to show you the passion which is needed to produce unique wines.